In this video, we're going to use the Flipcards tool. These are great for flashcard style content and they look like this. So if you haven't watched the introductory video on the content layout tool, you'll want to do that first to avoid any confusion and problems like breaking the HTML tags. If you've already done that, keep watching. Start off by clicking Launch Content Layout tool. Remember, every time you use the content layout tool, you'll need to click and hold the cursor while inserting tools. Click and hold the plus sign and hover over Flipcards, still holding down the cursor. Hover over the number of cards you want and release the cursor there. Now you have some customization options, so you can either make the card flip vertically or horizontally. Please note that you do need to choose one of these customization options. You cannot leave these as default or the flip card won't work. So press OK to continue to the content editor. Here we can insert images, text and links into these flip cards. To make editing easier, let's make this full screen using the button second from the right in the top right hand corner. First we'll insert the images. Right-click the image box and select Image. This window appears. It's very important for accessibility that I add an image description and title. Then I'll click Update. Then we can edit the text. Remember, whenever you edit text with the Content Layout tool, you need to remember 3 things. 1. Write your text in between the square brackets, and then once you've finished, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move behind the brackets and delete or backspace them. This is the only way to make sure you don't mess up that text formatting. 2. Don't press Enter while writing text. Adding paragraph breaks can add extra HTML tags and break the tool. 3. If you're copying text from another document, always convert it to plain text first using TextEdit, Notepad, or another plain text editing program so that you don't end up with any formatting issues or extra HTML tags. If you do need a refresher on how to do that, just check out the introductory video in this tutorial series. So you can see here we have card front text and card back text. Card back text comes up when you hover over the flip card and it flips. I want to link to a resource page on your UTS library. So first I'll need to open up that page in a new tab, copy the URL and close the tab. Then I'll right-click anywhere in this tile and select Link. For flip cards, you can only add one link for the whole tile. In this link window, I can link students to the URL by pasting it in the link path section. Now I'm linking to the library page, which isn't in UTS Online, so I'll need to change this link to open in a new window. Do this anytime you add a link that goes to somewhere outside of UTS Online. Once I've finished editing the flip card, I'll click Submit to proceed. And then I'll simply turn edit mode off, drag the browser window in to check that everything's displaying correctly on mobile, and then I can make the content available to students. That sums up how to use flip cards. Bye for now.